3 kids, thrown into power before they even understood it. One ruled an empire at 10, another led armies at 12, and the third made kings tremble at 11. Born into chaos, their worlds demanded they grow up overnight. They learned strategy while their friends played, made life and death decisions while most children cried for bedtime. Empires rose and fell under their tiny hands. Advisors whispered behind trembling curtains, and enemies underestimated them at their own peril. But power this young comes at a price: loneliness, betrayal, and a childhood stolen. Some vanished in mystery, others left scars history still debates. Imagine holding the fate of millions in hands too small to lift a sword. By the end, they were legends, feared, remembered, and never truly children again.